What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. We're talking about Shiba Inu in today's video today, and I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Before we get into this, I really want to encourage you guys to hit the like and subscribe button so you guys never miss a new video that we post about Shiba Inu and a variety of different cryptocurrency projects. Without further ado though, guys, let's get into it. I hope you guys are all holding Shib still, as there's still a lot of big news that is coming in 2022. We tweeted this out at It's Finance Bro. I really recommend you guys follow us on Twitter as well. Again, this is a great way to keep up to date with all of the latest and breaking information on Shiba Inu and a bunch of other cryptocurrency projects as well, guys. Definitely follow us there if you haven't already. We have a few different news articles today that I want to discuss. A lot of different interesting news, things about big surprises, the metaverse that Shiba Inu just announced, and of course some technical analysis a little bit here. I'm not going to watch this video, but we'll get into it in just a second. But really quick, I want to mention this really quick. If you guys haven't already, I really want to encourage you guys to join our private Discord. This is the best way to get access to an amazing community of like-minded individuals, all on the same path to financial freedom. Plus, you get access to Zach and I's buy and sell alerts. It's a great place to be. Zach and I have already made a huge amount of returns with all of the different alerts that we've sent out so far. And of course, we're continuing to send those alerts out day after day. It's the best place to figure out when to buy the dip, figure out, how the community is reacting to things, of course, and just in general, just to hang out and be there and be obviously a part of the overall community. So if that sounds interesting, second link down in the description below. Get signed up, guys. I think you guys will really enjoy being a part of it. Shiba Inu is recovering quite nicely today. I think we're up over like 8% or 9% now on the day. Absolutely beautiful recovery either way. If we look at the overall cryptocurrency market real quick here, up just about 6.60% on the day today, guys. Bitcoin is really struggling to kind of get above those previous lows, but I think we will see, as you can see, it just went to 37,000. Not too bad movement there, and we love to see that overall price action. Let's get into some of these news articles, though. This is huge. The first thing that we know, obviously, that's been recently announced that is literally shaking up the entire cryptocurrency industry as a whole, in my opinion, that's my opinion, is Shiba Inu's own metaverse, right? We know that Shiba Inu has officially, or announced basically, that they will be launching a metaverse in the later part of this year, 2022. As you can see, this article basically talks about, with metaverse expected to create a 8 trillion addressable market, the Shiba Inu community is delving in with its Shibaverse initiative. Let's read a little bit more about this and see what they have to say. Shiba Inu, which is a meme coin that ended up on one of the best performing assets in 2021, is looking beyond the ongoing carnage in the entire crypto sphere by launching a major new community-driven initiative. Shiba Inu is often doubled as a S-coin for its lack of utility and gargantuan circulating supply. Nonetheless, ever since Ethereum's CEO Vitalik Buterin burnt over 500 trillion Shib coins, and of course that was a huge catalyst there. Let's talk about the metaverse, though. This is an $8 trillion opportunity, according to this article. At least Goldman Sachs has made raves recently when it pronounced that the entire metaverse space entails an addressable market potential of around 8 trillion. For reference, the US GDP was quantified at about 23 trillion in Q3 of 2021. This means that the metaverse related incentives are expected to create value that is around 1/3 of the current GDP of the US. For this reason, Shiba Inu's bespoke metaverse offering might continue a seminal step. Beyond or before going further, it might be prudent to explain exactly what is meant. You guys know what a metaverse is. I'm not going to explain that. What is Shiba Inu linked Shibaverse? So readers should note that the Shibaverse project, read the white paper here, is not officially associated with the Shiba Inu developers. Instead, the project is being spearheaded by 3 individuals from the Shiba Inu community, and of course the project will create virtual districts that correspond to Shiba Inu's foundational elements, including the token's bespoke DEX Shiba Swap and its native blockchain Shibarium, and the token's decentralized marketplace ShibaNet, which is a really cool thing. It's going to basically, it's a decentralized place, but it's also going to centralize all of these main portions of Shiba Inu that you guys can access. As far as their ecosystem is concerned, as far as Shiba Swap is concerned, it's going to be built on top of Shibarium, which is going to be really cool as well. And overall, it's going to be a one-stop shop for everything Shiba Inu. And I think that you guys have really been wanting that. You've been wanting a place that you can go and congregate with other people who are into Shiba Inu, who are, about the project and wanting to know more about the project. I think that this is a really good step in the right direction, especially if the coin wants to continue capitalizing on this opportunity, right? An $8 trillion opportunity. Again, there's a lot of money to be made in that space by Shiba Inu, and to expand, obviously, as a project to continue funding more and more developments. Now, next little piece here, Shiba Inu announces a special surprise for 2022, a whole new world for crypto. Let's read a little bit more. The creators behind meme-based Shiba Inu unveiled their first special surprise for the year on Tuesday. What happened? In an update on Twitter, the Shiba Inu team posted a glimpse of their upcoming metaverse world titled Shiberse. As promised, we are also excited to announce our first special year. That's kind of the tweet. Basically, they just copied it in that sense. And in the tweet, Shiba Inu developers posted an image of what looks like to be a screen capture of the blockchain-based environment featuring a Shiba Inu dog holding an axe in its mouth. Presumably, it symbolized the act of mining. This is something that you guys have asked for a very long time. When are we going to get Shiba Inu mining? It seems like they're kind of starting to hint at it a little bit, that with the launch of the Shiberse and with the launch of everything else, this might be a way to mine. I'm assuming there's going to be games within the Shiberse that you can basically play, and maybe playing those games will allow you to earn or mine basically Shiba Inu. I don't know. We'll have to see, but there's definitely some kind of hint there at mining further Shiba Inu. Volk leads game design. We all know about, of course, William Volk, is it William Volk? David Volk, sorry. David Volk, who is a former tech lead at Activision Blizzard. He worked on a lot of big Call of Duty games. He's currently the head of game design, implementation, and completion of the project being developed at Playside Studios, or by the game studio rather. And he, of course, has been working on the Shiba Inu game as of late. I think this is very exciting to see, and the fact that we, of course, are once again presented with all of these different opportunities, all of these pieces of news that are just perfectly coming together to show just how strong this army is, and just how excited in news, I guess, related, that everything is going to be coming in the later part of this year. There's so much coming down the pipeline, guys. It's absolutely mind-blowing, and I'm very excited to see where we're going to be either way. Shiba Inu hits max pain point targets at 4035. You guys heard it here first. This was posted just a couple of hours ago. This is when Shiba Inu was at this low, around the 1925 level. And again, now they are saying that there are targets currently all the way back up to the 3 level back here, where it was usually trading just a couple of days or even about a week or so ago. Full disclosure, I want to make this very clear. I don't know about that. The crypto markets are still a little bit rocky right now. Again, if you guys want to get access to all of our buy and sell alerts and see like what we think about the market, we do technical analysis. We talk about when we're buying the dips on certain projects and everything. You guys got to join our private Discord, but I will say a few free things in this video. Again, I do think that we're in for a little bit more pain in the markets. I think Bitcoin, unfortunately, is not recovering as much as most people are expecting it to. We're seeing some good movement here, but it's still kind of holding on to these lower price ranges a little bit more unexpectedly. If we were to dip below certain support levels, I wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin go below 30,000. Now, that being said, I'm not saying that's going to 100% happen. I'm not saying that I'm not trying to say that's going to happen. So don't panic. Don't go sell your Bitcoin. Don't do that, right? Listen. My point here is that the Fed is likely going to speak today after market, or I think it's after market close, might be during market, I don't know. But again, the Fed is going to speak today. They're going to talk about rate hikes. They're going to talk about the conditions of the market and everything that's going on there. If they don't deliver on this news, even if they do deliver, we could likely see the markets go red today in the stock market, and we could potentially see the crypto markets follow suit. If that happens, I am prepared. I'm properly hedged for my position. I have different buy orders ready in case, certain things dip, which again, if you guys want to see those buy orders, they're in the Discord. But obviously here, I think Bitcoin still has a little bit of ways to go, and that includes Shiba Inu, guys. I'm not trying to alienate Shiba Inu here. I think Shiba Inu obviously, unfortunately, takes a lot of the brunt of these red days, right? Shiba Inu decreases a lot more drastically compared to some of these larger cap coins, and I think it gets a bad rap because of that, guys. Again, this is a low cap. Is it a low cap? It's not really a low cap. It's like 14th in market cap in the entire world. That should say something, if anything. But overall, guys, I think Shiba Inu will recover eventually. I think long term, we still have amazing projects, amazing catalysts, and different developments that are going on this year that are going to be coming sooner rather than later. And I'm very, very excited to see how those affect the overall ecosystem of Shiba Inu and the overall price. Make sure you guys subscribe so you guys don't miss that. We cover Shiba Inu and all kinds of different cryptocurrency projects that you guys want to know the latest and up-to-date information about. And of course, why not join up and subscribe? It's free to his channel. It literally updates you guys on an hour-by-hour basis on this kind of stuff. We track all the information for you. You don't have to do any of the work. All you have to do is watch these videos, guys. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. Make sure to pick up a free stock with the first link down in the description below at public.com. Make sure to join our private Discord. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.